Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jade from Rainbow High Dolls. So let's get started. To draw a cute Jade, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And the reason I'm starting with her eyes is because she has hair that's really close to her, that's covering part of her face basically. So it's just a lot easier to do it this way. So we're going to come right to the other side, about right here. And draw another circle. Now let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now my eyes in, let's come to the center about right here. We're going to draw her lips. So I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center, about right there. This just helps me make sure my lips are centered. So I'm going to come right here and use this as a curve to come up and come up. So just starting with that curve first, and then I'm going to come to the center right here and draw a small curve underneath. And then we're going to go up and draw the top lips. So go up, come towards the center, and come right back down. And then the bottom lip. And up. There. So hopefully I helped you draw that a little bit easier. Then from there, let's come to the sides right here. And we're just going to spruce up these eyes. There's some gorgeous lashes. So I'm just going to put 3 of them. And the center one being a little bit longer, and 1 more. Then from there, we're going to have to start to draw her hair. So like I said, her hair is covering part of her face. So I'm going to come about right, I'm just going to say right here. I'm going to start with a curve. It's going to touch her eye. And we're just going to go ahead and bring it down. So same thing on the other side. So now that I kind of know where this is, I'm just going to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to draw her beanie hat. So I'm going to go up with a curve, come right back down to the other side. So then about right here, once again, just going to touch her eye. And then we're just going to bring a curve down. There. It looks so weird right now, right? But it'll all come together, I promise. So let's come back up right about here, really close to the beanie. And we're just going to draw a soft angle for her brow. And I'll just go ahead and shade that in. And same thing here. From there, let's go ahead and draw the bottom of a U for her face. So just imagine as if you're really drawing a regular bottom of a U, you would start about right here and it would come out to about right here. So I'm just going to give myself a point on both sides. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right towards the center and then go right back up. There. So you can definitely make adjustments when you need to. So maybe make this a little bit thinner. There. Okay, finally we have her face in. So then now let's bring this beanie out a little bit more. So we're going to curve this out to say about right here. And about right here. I'll stop. And then from here I'm going to go up, give it a little bit wobble. Same thing here, give it a little bit of wobble, and I'll just go ahead and connect at the top. And all the way back down. So this is the top, the lip of her beanie, and then let's come in, and we're just going to draw this little dome shape up here. And bring it all the way down. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead. We're going to come right back here. We're going to pop out a curve for her hair. So hopefully everything now makes sense. And we can come in here and just draw some strands for her hair. We can do that when you're coloring. Okay, so for her beanie, you can draw these lines here, but I think I'll save that for when we're coloring because I don't want all these harsh black lines. So I'll just make it like a darker green to give her beanie some texture. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw her body before I finish the rest of her hair. So let's come about right here in the center. And I'm just going to draw two curves. So this is kind of like her jacket. That's why it's this shape right here. And we're going to come right here, draw a curve for her shirt. And then we're going to come out, such as really poofy jacket, and then curve and then bring it in. So same thing here, curve and bring it in. Then using this as our guide, we're going to come, let's come down here first, sorry. And bring this down more. So her jacket, and then using this as a guide right here, we're going to start with curve. So we're just building her jacket now. Let's bring this down a little bit more. Let's say about right here. And I'm going to stop about right here and just wobble, curve across for her shirt. So now I know this is kind of like where her waist is. So it just helps me to figure out how long to make her jacket. So I'll end her jacket about right here. So let's come, now we have this one curve. Let's draw another curve, another one, not to the end yet, just a little bit before the end. And then right here, we're going to draw a smaller one and connect. Then let's come back in here. We're going to connect. And we're going to go this way on this ones, on these poofy parts. So let's do the same thing over here. So I'm going to draw a curve, another curve, and then before we come to the end, just draw a small curve and connect. There, so now hopefully that makes it look like a very poofy jacket. Okay, so then from there, before we finish the arms, let's come to the center. So say about right here. Just gonna grab myself a little angle line right there, and then we're gonna start her legs. So we're just drawing these shorts. Just bring this down. Very long shorts, and then about right here, we're gonna pop out an angle and connect. So same thing here. There, and then we can come in here for some details. Curve right there and here. And I'll come in with all the details for the shorts a little bit later. Let's draw the legs first. So we're going to come straight down and about right here. So then about right there, I'm going to stop and then flare it out for her shoes. Right there and connect. And same thing here. And connect. There, and then for some details on her shoes, let's come right here. We're going to flare this part up, and then a curve for tennis shoes, and then another curve about right here. And then for some details, just to simplify it, we're going to put two curves in here and then just draw 3 curves for some lashes. So same exact thing over here. There, so hopefully I've captured that pretty well. So let's come back up and we're going to draw her arms. So let's come right here her shoulder. We're going to come down right there. And we're going to go, once again, we're going to poof it. So 1, 2, 3. As we come down to about right here, I'll stop and bring in this jacket and then give it a little cuff right there. And then her fingers, tiny little, just her fingers popping out. Because they're very long sleeves. There. And then once again, you can come in here, connect this with curves. So same thing on the other side. All right, here. And down. No cuff. And once again, fingers. There. Yay, now we're done with her poofy jacket. Okay, so then for some, well, let's finish her hair. So I'm going to come right here, curve it in, and give it a little strand, come up, curl it out, nice and long, and about right there. And just to simplify, I'll just add a curve right there to finish it off, and same thing here. So just give a strand that comes in, just to change it up, and see right here, I'm going to curve. And once again, same thing, just curve right here to finish it off. And then for detail right here, I'm just going to add a heart. And thicken it up. And then her shorts. So I'm just going to quickly come in here and just, since they're pretty simple graphics, I'm just going to come right here and just do that really quickly. Put some stars, and it's perfect because it's black. And the word magic is here, so A. Just indication of it. And the word sparkle. And some more stars. Some dots. So hopefully that helps you. I'm just going to write some letters there just to simplify it. Some graphics. Let's see, what else are we missing? I think that's about it, right? I think that's enough just to give it that look of her her shorts. And hopefully I've gotten everything, and that is pretty much it for my version here of Jade from Rainbow High Dolls. And I really hope you love how she turned out, just like all the other dolls I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.